Hey everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished integrating a CarPlay and Android Auto on the factory iDrive screen of this BMW 4 Series 2014. Let me just get Luke to give you a quick rundown on the system. So, here we go. Over to you, Luke.
This is the original screen here. So if I now press and hold the back button here, it will flick over to the CarPlay unit we've installed. So from here, obviously, you're going to get all of your main apps. You have radio, obviously, as what we're listening to currently right now. It will come through, live streaming through that. On the side, on the three sections on the side, these are your quick connect apps. So we'll always have one for maps, one for music, and one for either phone calls or messaging. So these obviously are most recently used apps. If you use Google Maps instead of Waze, that would change over to Waze, to Google Maps itself. If I press the home at the bottom corner, we have messages, WhatsApp, things like that. That will use your Siri through your phone or Bixby or whichever it's using in order to respond as a text message. Obviously through here, onto Waze. Obviously you can search and obviously put your destination up there, or alternatively you can just select it through your phone and it will manually change the screen up here anyway to your destination. For Siri, the bottom left hand corner, just press and hold and it will activate Siri. There we go. And obviously you can talk to Siri and obviously let it know what you want to do.
Just got more options on the other side as well. Scroll down.
No, it's on the one page.
Okay. So it's got spotlight and stuff like that on there as well. You can use it on the factory steering wheel control buttons as well. So it's all sorts of kind of
down.
Yeah. And what about talk me through the mirroring feature?
So with the mirroring, so on your phone, if at any point you wanted to, if I was to just open this up here, if I go to settings on the screen here, I'm just going to go to this one that says main menu up in the top corner, and it will go to this page here. If I go to this one called AirPlay and I switch it on, this will now allow me, if I now go to Wi-Fi on my phone, you'll see it will come live.
It might get a clear, guys, because I'm filming.
So once I'm connected, just through the tick up on the app, I can then press the screen mirror, press AirPlay, and now it will broadcast my screen over to the car. There we go. So then if I wanted to watch, say for instance, a YouTube video, it will come through. If I press play, full screen it will come through.
It's come through all the speakers, sounds really good as well.
You've got multiple things you can do through it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you go back to the original BMW screen as well?
Press and hold back. We'll now go back to.
And all the features remain the same as the factory system, yeah? So everyone, if you're interested in getting this type of upgrade done on your vehicle, feel free to get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for watching.